Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to Court in the City.
Hey, so I'm here with another DIY simple tutorial for beginners. I'm getting ready to go out and I want to wear a low bun, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm going to put a little extension hair in it because I'm trying to be fancy or whatever. So there's a clip in there. So I put this on a ponytail. This is just some leftover hair I had from a braid style I did a little while ago. So I did that and hopefully that turns into a cute bun. And then I had done crochet box braids at one point in time and I just saved all the hair because I was like, I can use them. So I'm going to try to put this in my style too. So first we are going to start with a slick bun. So I'm going to slick my hair down. That's why it's in these braids, to just kind of help me so we don't take too long today.
So first I'm just going to start out by taking the braids loose and gelling my hair down section by section. I did not show you the gel I used because I used a styling gel and that did not really work well for this style. So I didn't want to recommend it because it just did not do anything for my hair. And now I know that I can't use styling gel to hold my hair down in a slick bun. But braiding my hair section by section and gelling it down that way definitely worked better for me. It was a super easy process and didn't take long to do. I do usually spray water over my gel. That gives the gel a different texture and it usually holds my hair a little better. Although it did not work out for this style, I do recommend using water with gel styles because it does, for me, work a little better with hold and helps me keep my style a little bit longer before it gets frizzy. I use Lotta Body foam for a lot of styles. I just like the way it holds my hair. So that's a good thing you don't have to add into your style, but I do like adding that. Now I'm just going to twist my real hair down and secure it with a rubber band to make a bun. And then I took the braiding hair that I had and wrapped the scrunchie around my bun and then just played around with the hair until I wrapped it into a bun that I thought was cute to wear out. Then you secure that with a rubber band also. Then take the crochet braid and stick a bobby pin through it and just wrap that around the base of my bun just to add a little extra cuteness to it. Don't forget your side pieces. You just want to make sure those are curled up because they add something cute to the style as well. See, I just had to keep adding gel. It was really not holding my hair. Tie that down for a little bit and get ready, and then you have a cute style to wear out. This style was super easy to do, and even with the gel not holding up, it still was a cute style for the day.